Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin on Robinhood and want to move it to Coinbase Wallet for more control in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Why bother transferring? Well, Coinbase Wallet lets you actually own your crypto, trade freely, and even stake it, which Robinhood doesn't always allow. Plus, with the crypto world evolving fast, having your assets in a personal wallet is smarter than ever. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with Dogecoin in it and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't have Coinbase Wallet yet, download the app and create one. It's free and straightforward. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio, find your Dogecoin holdings, and select the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood might call it Send or Crypto Withdrawal, depending on updates in 2025, so keep an eye out for that. Step 2. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal amounts and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Next, you'll need the wallet address from Coinbase. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Dogecoin section, and copy the receive address. It's super important to double-check this address. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so one wrong character could mean lost funds. Step 3. Back in Robinhood, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Select Dogecoin as the asset, confirm the details, and hit Submit. You'll probably get a confirmation email or notification. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred your Dogecoin from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.